All right, so you know what we like, we got to test our products. So we've designed something, it looks good, fits the car good, but we had to come somewhere and actually like properly test it. And the best place to come is DARGO.
It's gonna get wet. Interesting.
All right, so I'm going to show you all the little bits and pieces to make this work and how easy it is to install and why we've done these things. So this piece here is critical because, Dave, if you come over here and have a look at the inner piece just here, that there is actually got two scrivets that hold that in place to go onto our original airbox. Okay, so I'm retaining the original airbox with using this snorkel. That piece comes out. I don't have any cuts on the inside. I actually literally will have that siliconed on the inner guard together with using those original scrivet holes. So it's just a nut and bolt to squash it together and get it to seal nice, so it's nice and waterproof. But most important now is this piece that goes in there. We cut the hole for the outer skin of this particular car, but now the inner skin, which a lot of people probably don't know because you don't pull apart your car. If I took that guard off, there's actually a complete body inner guard. So a lot of the other snorkels, we have to make a slide in, modification or a big cut in that second guard. Like this one here, I didn't want to do that. So we've got now a jigsaw piece that goes in, a hose that goes onto our snorkel, and we only cut that outer skin. No more cuts on the inside. Keep the strength there. So mounting on the A-pillar, there's so many options out there. We've seen ones that have been mounted on the inside, and then when you close the door, it pinches the seal up around this section here. And if you're traveling with 100 kilometers an hour, raining, the rain can come into the seal and it can start to seep in. Things are not brand new forever. They do, age. I've had brackets that have been pot riveted onto the A-pillar from the outside of that plastic garnish. Now, we have designed a bracket that actually just bolts on. So I can get this bracket in position now. I can unbolt the actual snorkel, and then I can unbolt the other two that hold it to the A-pillar to be able to access the windscreen if we ever crack it. Windscreen O'Brien people out there, they don't want to be pulling these things off before they do a windscreen. So then you're going to have to get it to us, and then you've got to send it back to them, get your window done, then you've got to bring it back to us to fit the snorkel. You know what? DIY. You can do it yourself, and they'll do it. Okay, so standard airbox you may have seen with our snorkel. In my opinion, having the standard airbox is actually important because of the data that we've seen with our tuning. Okay, so I think also my opinion is that once you have a standard airbox going into all the stuff that was underneath the guard liner and in between these two guards, the heat that was produced from our engines and the headers has got to start mixing up and getting sucked in to the engine. Now, heat in your combustion loses power. So I wanted to get something that not only goes through a river crossing, but I want to have the benefits of sucking in cold air from outside all the time and not worry about the amount of heat that gets in here and sucking into the engine. So cold air produces more power. And going into a standard box, with the standard Venturi effect in the intake manifold that these have, causes great results for this map sensor that goes and feeds information back to the ECU, which gets the perfect air-fuel ratios. So cold air, less heat, standard box was my goal. All right, so obviously testing the short entry and the low line roof height without going too high. Like we had to make sure that when water hit the windscreen, nothing hit. Like testing this out with the original airbox and the way it fitted up inside the guard is absolutely fantastic. Having less cuts inside, we got to make sure things work perfect. And it did. It's pulled it off. All right, this 4x4 DNA snorkel is on the shelf, ready to go. We've now tested it, fitted it. I am super happy with it. Order them, you can fit it yourself, or come to Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth store, and we'll absolutely fit these things beautifully snug tight. You're going to be happy. 4x4 DNA, DARGO Snorkel. Get it.